Oh my gosh! I can see why they've been together for 25 years. Gentlemen, we're on. Anything you say now, then can't hear you. You want to hear you?
Good morning, Jamaica.
Okay.
Good morning, Jamaica.
I think that's the best, safest thing to say. Comprised of singers Lucky D, Tony Curtis, Trilla U, singing melody, reggae group L.U.S.T, currently celebrating 25 years. Have a give a round of applause for that in the business. 25 years. Gentlemen, it is so good to see you this morning.
Same here.
I must tell you the truth, even better to hear you in warm-up because I still maintain this is the greatest group to come out of Jamaica, the greatest set of voices to come out of Jamaica. Severely underrated in my view, but you guys have done some amazing, amazing things. Lucky, this is your brainchild? Is you pull this together?
Yes.
Should I say yes? Speaking for you. Tell me how this happened.
Well, I know them long time.
Yes.
And I had a group in the States when I was going to high school here. So, and of course, I know them long time. So we had to procrastinate. So, of course, 1997, I decided, so no more procrastinating. Let's get together. And that's history.
Okay. And the name, L.U.S.T, misunderstood?
Oh, well.
Singing, yes.
I think we were searching for names, and Trilla U was the one who came up with the initials. Well, we tried to find names for everything, and then one day we start looking at each other and say, but why you guys need a name? Trilla U say, yo, use initials.
Exactly right.
And that was it.
Yeah, but I'm reading here that L.U.S.T means love, understanding, sensitivity, and trust.
Yes.
So who is love, who is understanding, who is sensitivity, and who is trust?
You know, sometimes I have to wonder myself because sometimes this man dark like midnight, but he's full of love.
Yeah.
We could have moved from that. Means everything.
Yes.
Okay.
You need somebody who can cover all of that going on.
You see it? You see
Yeah,
it?
okay. Shall I do it? Yes, go on, Sir Curtis.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
1, 2.
Go on, man. We
1,
can
2.
hear you.
Hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, understanding. Who is that again? Lucky D? Chula is understanding. Full understanding.
Yeah, man.
You full understanding?
Yes, sir.
Like when I just learning each other.
Yeah.
Yes.
Trustees for Tony. You know,
Yeah,
and
so you can be trusted.
Yeah, give me the
Exactly.
money.
Yeah,
I'll
money.
clip it.
You
Well,
give.
sensitivity is that I'm always sensitive about getting things done, you know, and everybody see me as the pain in the butt guy, but I'm good, you know, full of love, same way, all of us together. I mean, you can tell because we're full of rumor. I mean, listen, rumor, humor.
Yeah.
We do that to each other
And
regular.
the friendship is so clear.
Oh, yeah.
Because we've been through highs and some very low lows.
Oh, yeah.
And to be honest, the friendship thing really work out that
It
much.
no work out so good,
This
eh?
is just face card.
Okay.
Later, relieve that's your problem.
Yeah. Impossible. There's no way 25 years could have gone
But
without.
what is so special about us is that we understand each other and we know that we're not supposed to pass certain boundaries. You know?
Yeah.
So that's what the great part.
Speaking of boundaries, y'all are going to be crossing some with this tour. Who's going to tell me about the tour? I'm so excited.
Oh, man.
Can Dale and I come with you?
I think Luke is the best person to talk about this, you know,
Luke,
because this was
you have to
something
talk about
that...
everything. You are the talker. You need that.
Yes, we are talk about.
The tea in L.U.S.T is for a talker.
You see, okay, so it's a tour business, that's a serious thing. I mean, for anybody who have done this thing, tour business, it's really like not going to further.
Yeah, man, we can
You
hear.
might hear me good boss, yeah? Yeah. This is tour business, a serious thing. I mean, it's hard work. It's sometime when you go end up on the stage and on a vice. The bus you have to run out of the bus up on the stage. But of course we've been preparing this for years. All of them on a tour on their own. You know, we've done it on our own. It's a good thing to come together and do it. Of course, you know, when you're doing tours, you put out the stuff, you say L.U.S.T tour, and you put them out, and who want the dates can contact. That's how it goes. So while the dates are coming in, we make preparations for that, and then we get ourselves together and we'll go on the road. So for us to say this person and this person, we still don't know because the dates are still rolling
Right,
in.
but you're going to where you headed? You're U.S.
Are we doing
Yeah.
well?
Which of the foreign exactly, Trilla?
East Coast, and we're ending up in Canada.
Just far foreign, near foreign, Merca, overseas, all of those are
Let me address
different.
that.
Yeah.
So what we want to do, again, as the dates come in, then we'll know. Because let's say, for instance, the first dates are coming is in Canada. They will start there.
Right.
And they will transition over into the States.
Okay.
So it depends on what dates are coming in. Then we'll know where we go from and where
Copy
we're ending
that.
up. You understand?
Copy
So that's
that.
how it goes.
All right, I'm telling me to shut up now because we got to hear you sing, and I have no problem with that. So let's cue the track. Here's L.U.S.T,
When
everybody.
you're ready to give that shot?
Of course, man. This is L.U.S.T. waiting. It's
Let's go.
morning, and it's Smile with Jamaica. So it's the best place to smile. Let's go! This is our first hit song to come out. So let's celebrate 25 years.
Yeah. Come
Gentlemen,
on, everybody. Remember the night
Remember the night
when you held me tight.
when you held me tight. Girl, you swept my feet away. What more can I say?
come on, let's go.
Remember that special day,
One time.
girl, when you came my way. Ooh, baby, you touched me, you kissed me. What more can I say?
And we've been living in the light.
We've been living the life
Where the stars are shining bright.
'cause only the sweetness of your love keeps me alive. Only
And if only we had
Together we will fly.
'cause only the sweetness of your love keeps me alive. Check it out.
Check.
Our love has a guarantee. To live for eternity. Yeah.
touch me, baby, more can I say?
Come on.
And we've been living in the light.
We've been living a life
Where the stars are shining bright.
'cause only the sweetness of your love keeps me alive.
And if only we had waited.
And if only we had